Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I hope you are doing great. And in today's video, we are going to solve very popular string coding interview problem. That is first non-repeating character. So this question is asked very frequently in TCS, Infosys, and so many companies. So make sure you understand the logic clearly. So before we start, if you like coding, DSA, and placement preparation content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any useful videos. So this is our problem statement. So given a string, find the first character that does not repeat. So what we have to do means we have to find the character. That character should not exit more than one time, and that character should be appear at first time. So that is what we are going to print. So if we do not find any character, we have to return the -1. So let's see the example so that you will understand. So here's an example. Here input AA, BB, C, D, E, F, F. So here are single characters which exit only one time. That is C, D, and E. So in these characters, C occur at first time. So that's why we are printing a C. So here Y means C appears only once and comes first. So I have told right. So C is the first character that appears only one time. So so that character we are going to print. So hence output is C. So let's see the approach. In our step one, count the frequency of each character. So we are and in a step two, traverse the string again. And in a step three, find the character with count 1. And that is our answer. So we have to find the frequency of each character and traverse the string again. And if the character's frequency is 1, we have to print the first character. So that is what we are going to do now. So let's see the logic here. Here we use a frequency array. So which is size is 256. So I have already told right as a ASCII characters. So we can use either hash map or a array. So if it's array, the size is 256 for a ASCII character, and array is faster and easier. So we will use an array. So here is our pseudocode. So in our pseudocode, we are creating a count. So 256. So in that, in our first follow, we are counting the characters frequency. And in a second follow, we are counting if the character has a 1, we'll print and return the character. So if it doesn't find anything, we'll just return -1. So here time complexity and space complexity. And our time complexity is because we are going to traverse the string for only one time. So from that we'll get a frequency of the each characters, and space complexity which is because of 1. So we no need extra space. So let's create a class here. So let's give first character occurrence. So successfully we have created a public class, and inside the class we are creating our main class. So public static void main, and follow to a scanner class as usual. So scanner is equal to new scanner inside system.in. And now we are going to get a input from the user. So we are getting an input as a string. So string is equal to se.next. So we are going to take only one string, not a sentence. So and let's create an array here. So let's give count. So new int of 256. So our ASCII characters, right? So now we are going to count the frequency of each character. So for that, in our follow, we are traversing from 0th index to the last index of the string. So s dot length of and I plus plus. And inside we are counting the character string. So count of s dot caret of 5, and so it will automatically increment the found the frequency of the each character. And after this follow, we are creating another one follow for finding the first non-repeating character. So for that we are traversing from the 0th index to the last index. So for this we are checking the condition. If our count s dot caret of I is equal to 1, we have to print it's a first non-repeating character. So SOPLN, let's write something here. So let's write first non-repeating char, and inside we use s dot caret of I. So after this we have to return. So why we using here return means if this exists, so sorry, we have to write the return here because we have to find only first non-repeating character, right? So if we didn't give return here, continuously it will go to the our next non-repeating character also. So if once it come inside, so it will print the first character and return the and end the program. So I think you already know about the return. So what is the function of the return? I think you know. So if you don't know, just ask me in command. I'll let you know. So in another statement, we are printing there is no non-repeating characters. So let's run this program. So let's give a word greeting. So Greeting. So greeting. So comparing this, G appears two times. G appears two times. And R appear one time. E appear two times. And T, I, N. So it's all appear only one time. So G appear two times, right? So and R non-repeating first non-repeating character is R. So will that R will print? So let's see here what will happen. So our first non-repeating character is G. So you know why? Because here G is a capital. So G is in uppercase and our last G is in lowercase. So that's why it's printed capital G as a non-repeating character. So let's see another one example. So let's give A, B, B, C, C, D, D, and E, F, A, A. So we have just give a random characters. So in this, our first non-repeating character is E. So let's see. So we have got our output. So our first non-repeating character is C. So if this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more coding and placement content. And if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment. I'll definitely help you. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy coding and keep learning.